Hello, friends! Today we're building something truly genius. A bridge designed by Leonardo da Vinci himself. And guess what? You don't need any glue or nails, just a few sticks and a little patience. Here's what you'll need. About 15 logs. You can use popsicle sticks, pencils, or even wooden skewers. And a few rubber bands. The rubber bands won't hold the bridge together. They'll just stop the sticks from slipping. Let's start. Wrap a rubber band around each stick, close to the edge. Now place the first stick across your workspace. That's the base. Lay 2 sticks across it on top, then put one more right in the middle of those 2. Next, add 2 more sticks so that they slide under the very first one. This is where your bridge begins to take shape. Keep going by adding new parts underneath the previous ones, gently lifting the whole structure as you go. And there you have it, a self-supporting bridge, held together only by balance and clever design. Don't worry if it collapses the first time. Even Leonardo had to experiment. Try again, maybe with a partner. One person can hold the bridge while the other adds the next set of sticks. Teamwork makes the masterpiece. For more fun DIY projects and fascinating science, subscribe to OYLA Magazine and check the description box below for all the details.